I-Arhente yokhuseleko lwentlalo yaseMzantsi Afrika okanye i-SASSA ngamafutshane kwiphondo laseGauteng ithathe ithuba lokucacisa iimfuno zesicelo sesibonelelo-mali sokukhubazeka emva kwemibuzo yakutshanje malunga nenkqubo yovavanyo. I-SASSA ithi ukuba nemeko yempilo akwenzi umntu abe ngofanele isibonelelo ngokuzenzekelayo, njengoko umntu ngamnye kusafuneka ahlolwe ngokwezonyango ziingcali ukuze kuqinisekiswe ukuba ukukhubazeka kwakhe kuyayichaphazela kusini na indlela yakhe yokusebenza. I-Arhente ithi inkqubo ayipheli apho nje, nanjengoko abafaki izicelo abaphumeleleyo kufuneka behlangabezene nezinye iimfuno zokufanela isibonelelo, ngelixa abo izicelo zabo ezingamkelekwanga kwaye abafuna ukubhenela isigqibo kusafuneka befake izizathu ezibhaliweyo ingaphelanga okanye zingaphelanga iintsuku ezingama-90.
SASSA in Gauteng wishes to clarify the qualifying criteria and assessment process applicable to disability grant applications, particularly the role of the means test in determining eligibility. A recent report has highlighted the need to clarify how SASSA processes applications and determines eligibility. SASSA considers it important that beneficiaries and members of the public have accurate information regarding the qualifying requirements and the assessment process for disability grants. A disability grant is a social assistance benefit provided to qualifying South African citizens, permanent residents, and recognized refugees who are unable to work due to a disability. The current disability grant amount is 2,400 per month. In SASSA, a disability is not simply an illness or medical condition. It is assessed in terms of the extent to which a physical or a mental disability affects a person's ability to work and to support themselves. A person may be regarded as disabled if they have a physical or mental disability that renders them unable to work or obtain the means to support themselves. And this must be confirmed through the prescribed medical assessment process conducted by a SASSA-appointed medical practitioner. A disability grant is therefore not approved only on the basis of a medical condition. The assessment process involves both a medical assessment and a means test, and applicants must meet all the prescribed qualifying criteria. To qualify, an applicant must be 18 to 50 years old, be a South African citizen, a permanent resident, or a recognized refugee residing in South Africa, not maintained in a state-funded institution, not receiving another grant for themselves. They must also undergo a medical assessment confirming the disability and satisfy the prescribed means test.